I took the wheels off at home, both front and rear, and took them to a tire shop to remove the tires and tubes. यहाँ पे भाई ने मेरी फाड़ दी. The way he did it, मुझे लगा भाई ट्यूब तो कट ही जाएगा, but it was all okay at the end.
Both the tires are off. Here is the front and the rear wheel. Now this is the phase 2 of doing tubeless conversion to my Himalayan tire. Tires were taken off. Now I am going to clean the rim with the hard brush and detergent so that any oil and debris is removed. Then shall dry it. After drying, we'll clean it again with petrol, and then we go on to drying it further and applying the 3M sealant coat. The rims have been cleaned with water and I've left them to dry. Now I'll further clean them with acetone so that any oil or any muck or any debris that may have been left after the water and detergent cleaning would go off, and the sealant will stick well to the rims. Okay, now after cleaning the rim with detergent and then cleaning with acetone, now after all the cleaning is done, cleaning and drying, I have applied masking tape on both the edges so that the sealant what we are using is marine adhesive sealant by 3M series 5200. So I have applied this masking tape so that the glue remains inside, and once you take off this masking tape, it is clear, it is not getting onto the rim lips where the tire will fit in. Now we will start applying. One more thing I have done, I have fitted the nozzle, that is tubeless valve nozzle. This comes out like this, just fell off. So this portion has gone from inside and this has been tartaned from outside. Here I have already put it, and I have put a little bit of masking tape on top of this so that it is not clogged by the glue. Yeah. So now it is time to apply the sealant. I have already cut and prepared it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to fill up the small little nooks and crannies of the spokes very well, because these are the places actually which needs to be sealed. I'm going to do this for each and every spoke hole. And continue doing this till the time we cover the whole thing. Okay. We'll continue doing this. We'll come back once I have finished doing this, and we proceed to step 2 of the process.
In step 2, I applied the marine sealant generously, then used an old credit card cut to the inner groove size of the rim to smoothen it, ensuring no air bubble is trapped inside the glue.
I have completed the first coat. As you can see, I have left it to dry. This is how it has come. Those little ridges are all over the basic minimum layer that I want, but that is the reason I have not touched them actually. It is pretty tacky, so I'll let it dry for 2 to 3 days and then go for the second coat. This is the front wheel. This has come out much better, you see. And I had got 2 of these tubes, so I've used only 1 till now. A little bit still left, so 1 more tube would be good enough for a adequate layer in the after say 2 days or 3 days when it is little dried up.
I applied 2 coats of the glue to both the rims with a gap of 48 hours to let each layer dry adequately. Once they were absolutely dry, took the wheels to the tire shop and reinstalled the tires without the tubes obviously, and filled with recommended air pressure. Post installation, have used the bike for over 4500 kilometers in scorching heat of 50 degree plus and in extreme cold climate, and they have held on good till date. This is the state of the glue after 4,500-5,000 kilometers. I had to take it off to change the tire. And as you can see, it is pretty tacky. It is not hard like something, it is rubbery, so that it is likely to hold on well and not break. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon and like.